A meal plan is your guide for when, what, and how much to eat to get the nutrition you need while keeping your blood sugar level in your target range. You will need to plan for regular and balanced diet to avoid high or low blood sugar levels. Eating about the same amount of carbs at each meal can be helpful. There are some simple methods that can help you in planning a healthy diabetic diet. Firstly, let's understand why do you need to develop a healthy diet plan, how to plan your meals, how to include all essential nutrients, and what are the foods that you should avoid. Why do you need to develop a healthy diet plan? A diabetes diet is based on eating 3 meals a day at regular times. This helps you better use the insulin that your body produces or gets through medication. Carbohydrates in the food that you eat raise your blood sugar levels. How fast carbs raise your blood sugar depends on what the food is and what you eat with it. So now, let's understand how to plan your meals. You can help keep your blood glucose level in a safe range by making healthy food choices and tracking your eating habits. For morning tea coffee, always drink sugar-free coffee or tea in the morning and replace cookies and salty snacks with dry fruits like almonds and pista. For breakfast, you can have oats, whole grain cereals like dalia, upma, chilla, and sprouts. You can also go for a smoothie of low glycemic fruits and non-starchy vegetables. For lunch and dinner, you have to be really careful with what and how much you eat to ensure you include all the essential nutrients you can follow. Plate method. It's easy to eat more food than you need without realizing it. The plate method is a simple, visual way to make sure you get enough non-starchy vegetables and lean protein while limiting the amount of higher carbs food you eat that have the highest impact on your blood sugar. Start with a 9-inch dinner plate. Fill half with non-starchy vegetables such as salad, green beans, broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. Fill 1/4 with carb food. Food that are higher in carbs include grains that are chapati, starchy vegetables such as potatoes and peas, rice, beans, fruit, and yogurt. A cup of milk also counts as a carb food. Fill 1/4 with lean protein such as chicken, turkey, beans, tofu or eggs, and if you are a vegetarian, you can include pulses like dal, rajma, chole, and paneer. But you should remember that quantity is the key. Do not eat anything more than required. For snacks, you can eat some fruits like berries, apricot, avocado, etc. You can also consider some other beneficial foods like yogurt, almonds, paneer, and roasted grams. And what are the food that you should avoid? You should avoid processed and packaged foods and should rather go for fresh foods. Replace packed juices with fresh juices. Also avoid deep fried foods and refined flour containing food like pasta. White bread and sugary drinks should also be avoided for maintaining a healthy sugar level. Alcohol consumption should be avoided or kept to a minimum. Friends, hope you all like our suggestion and tips. If you want more updates on diabetes and its treatment, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button.